Hello, I'm Joseph Ostrowski, and I'm Amazon's marketing manager. What I'm going to go over today is our introduction, what is Amazon, our mission statement, a competitive analysis of two of our competitors, the marketing strategies used by Amazon, utilizing the 4Ps, our competitive advantage over the market, our ethical stance, and lastly, the conclusion. So what is Amazon? Amazon.com is an internet-based retailer that sells everything from books, toys, houseware, to even small houses. Launched in 1995 by Jeff Bezos, a former Wall Street fund exec, Amazon began its days as an online book retailer before it became the giant we know it today. Within its first month of selling books, they sold books to all 50 states and in 45 different countries. Amazon also has adapted into other markets, distributing downloads and streaming of video, music, and audiobooks through Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Music, and Twitch. Amazon also has a publishing arm, which is called Amazon Publishing, and a film and television studio called Amazon Studios, and even a cloud computing service, Amazon Web Services. So our mission is to continually raise the bar of the customer experience by using the internet and technology to help consumers find, discover, and buy anything, and empower the businesses and content creators to maximize their success. So a competitive analysis of one of our largest competitors, we're looking at Walmart. Each week, Walmart serves over 240 million customers who visit approximately 11,400 stores. And they have an e-commerce websites in 26 different countries. Even their innovation over this past year, Walmart, to keep up with Amazon, even started offering free shipping on certain eligible items with no order minimum. Another one of our competitors, when we look at our Amazon Prime Video service that we have Netflix. Netflix is an internet television networks with over 167 million streaming members in more than 190 countries. As of 2019, the company's net global streaming membership additions reached 27.8 million, and the global paid streaming memberships reached 167 million. That indicates an annual growth of 27.6% in 2021. Now, when we look at Amazon compared to these other companies, what do we have that they don't? What do they have that we don't? So Amazon and Walmart both are on top when it comes to financials, with Amazon leading the way with $108 billion and a 43% increase over the last year, which helped propel Amazon into first place as the world's largest retailer. Now, both Amazon and Walmart are innovators. Amazon innovations include them jumping into more areas of business. When it comes to the customer service, Amazon is also at the top of their game because their customer service-centric e-commerce retail site. Amazon's self-help is unparalleled, and the digital experience and convenience raised the bar for the entire industry. Walmart, on the other hand, is a huge brick-and-mortar retailer which provides more jobs than Amazon. In 2018, Walmart had 2.2 million employees, while Amazon had just shy of 600,000. Both companies are growing online. Now, we have a strong brand name, as Walmart does. We're customer-oriented, but we take the win on that one when we compare ourselves to Walmart. We have the largest merchandise selection. We both have competitive prices. Now, both of us and Walmart, both are easily imitatable business models. We have a chance to lose margins. And as Amazon, we're limited to these brick and mortar establishments. And with Amazon, we have an over dependence on distributors as compared to Walmart. Now, when we look at Netflix and Amazon Prime, they are similar in many ways to the service that they provide, but differ in a few as well. When we look at Netflix, there are 3 tiers of video streaming services called Basic, which is a $9 per month, a Standard, $14 per month, and a Premium, $18 per month, as compared to Amazon's $119 annual fee, which also gives you shopping-related benefits. The Amazon Prime annual membership lets you stream in the highest quality that your TV or device will let you stream. So when we compare the two on device capability, Netflix has the most device capability. Now, what is Amazon's marketing strategy? Amazon uses high runner strategy. It is used to uncover which products are in the highest demand in every category. Amazon also uses a pricing algorithm to price its products to ensure the consumer is receiving them at the lowest cost. Now, using the 4 Ps, product, price, and place, and promotion, we're going to dive a little bit more into Amazon's product. Now, what is a product? A product is an item or service offered for sale. These items in regards to Amazon could be their Prime delivery service to their wide range of products offered for sale on their platform. Amazon sells their Prime delivery service, consumer electronics, ebooks, Amazon Studio, Amazon Games, and so forth. And you can even purchase groceries through this platform. The first thing Amazon does with their product is they gear their focus to the consumers who would utilize their app. Another thing Amazon does is track cookies. There's a direct correlation of the things you search for online, and then you may also like this item section within their app. By tracking what their consumers are looking for online, Amazon then provides the consumer with items similar to their search history. Now, place. When we look at Amazon as an e-commerce and an online retailer, they don't necessarily have several brick and mortar stores, though they have 17. We look at this as an internet as a whole. So place is not just a thing in the world, but a way of understanding the world. Amazon's place, the shortest possible distribution channel, is considered the most direct process, known as Channel 3. An example of this would be Amazon, who uses their own company platform to sell their own product like Kindle directly to their consumers. Because it cuts out the middleman, Channel 3 is often referred to as a direct marketing channel. Now, when we look at place, we look at the internet, and we look at our marketing channels that we have for Amazon, which is the Channel 3 direct marketing channel. Price. Now, what is price? Price is the cost the consumer pay for a particular product. Amazon's pricing model is based around keeping prices to the consumer as low as possible. Amazon also has a buy box, which merchants are competing to obtain, with Amazon creating this incentive for merchants to compete for the consumer's business. They are in turn ensuring customer service is the top priority. Now, Amazon built an algorithm that recognizes any changes in price, whether the change is to the item itself or to another factor such as shipping. It is this algorithm that allows Amazon to adjust their prices so quickly based off the market and based off of needs and wants of the consumer. This is why they have the lowest price possible, and they have merchants fighting for the consumer business to keep the market competitive. Now, promotion. When we look at promotion, we look at several things. And then we look at the digital and we look at the traditional promotion methods. So what is promotion? Promotions are a way to communicate to a consumer and potential consumers for a set of products or services. Amazon over the years have pioneered the way retailers advertise. Traditional marketing and digital marketing are a way merchants advertise their products. Now, since Amazon is a web-based business, the majority of their advertisements come from the digital market platform. The first digital way Amazon reaches its consumers is by their use of sponsored products. The second is the use of their self-promotion through their app, such as Amazon Prime Video. They do this by showing the consumer things they may be interested in based off their search history. Now, while they're using the Prime Video, in between shows, they're still getting ads for these goods and services that are on sale. Now, the third thing Amazon does for digital marketing for their strategy would be they use the use of social media. On Facebook alone, they have over 29 million likes on their page. So every time they submit one thing or they send out a status update, instantly they have 29 million people that is going out to. Now, when anything is shipped through Amazon, when we look at the traditional method, they always have the Amazon packaging tape, which gets their name out there in a physical form, not through online, or it's printed on an Amazon printed box. It has their name painted all over it. Amazon also places ads on their Kindles, which is the Amazon's ebook readers. And these ads are present whenever you turn on your Kindle before you unlock it. So at the startup screen, you will see an ad for Amazon. And now another traditional method, which Amazon is no different when it comes to billboard advertisements and the actual physical advertisements that you would see for any local store or any big retailer such as Walmart itself as well. Now, what is their competitive advantage? Now, the success of Amazon and their growth has been accomplished due to their competitive advantage in the 4 Ps. Now, they have done really well in all 4, but if we were looking at where they may be lacking and where Amazon is lacking, would be the product. And this is due to their entrance into multiple markets besides just retail, and their jump into technology. Their retail platform is the best on the market, and they have the competitive edge, but in regards to Netflix and Amazon Prime Video, Netflix produces more streaming revenue. Now, when we look at the ethical stance of the company, we look at the ethics statement. Amazon encourages and enforces the strict adherence to local and state, federal, and international laws through a series of guidelines within their code of ethics. They direct any employee who may be experiencing a conflict of interest to their legal department, and they describe, in general terms, some situations that would require contacting such a department. Amazon promotes a safe and healthy workplace free of harassment and danger, promoting the freedom for employees to perform their duties unhindered. The company strongly discourages behaviors that are not in the best interest of Amazon or their customers, suppliers, or their employees. Now, according to in-house research, the global cloud computing market is expected to grow by 25% in 2022. Now, eBay, Best Buy, Dollar Tree, Walmart and Target still remain heavy competitors